All right, let's dive straight into this explainer. If you're an e-commerce seller, an affiliate marketer, or really just any kind of creator trying to scale up, you already know the deal. High-quality video is absolutely crucial. It's what drives the sales, the clicks, and those sweet commissions. But man, is it a massive bottleneck. It takes forever and it costs a fortune. Well, today we're looking at TopView AI. Think of it as having your very own automated video agent that works around the clock to scale your output and ultimately your income.
Picture this for a second, because I know we've all been there. You're scrolling TikTok or Reels, you see a video format that is just absolutely crushing it, and you think, man, I wish I could do exactly that for my product. Normally, that means finding a camera, booking a shoot, hiring an editor, and spending a whole weekend trying to capture lightning in a bottle. But what if you could just clone that winning style instantly? No expensive studio, no massive headache. It's honestly mind-blowing when you compare the old way of doing things to what a modern AI video agent can pull off. I mean, we're taking the setup time from days or even weeks down to literal minutes. Instead of manually editing to clone a vibe, you just upload a reference. And instead of hurting real creators for user-generated content, you just deploy lifelike AI presenters. Traditional production is just so slow. With TopView, you get the power of a whole production studio from a single prompt.
Section 1. Clone any video style.
Okay, so the absolute best part about this, you don't need to know a single thing about editing. Nothing. It's basically just 3 incredibly simple steps. First, you drop in your product, either upload a few images or literally just paste the product URL. Step 2, you toss in a reference video, like that viral hit you want to mimic. The AI instantly analyzes the pacing, the hooks, the transitions, and step 3, boom, you get a fully edited, multi-shot, publish-ready video handed right back to you. We all know UGC, user-generated content, is absolute gold right now. Consumers trust people, not faceless brands. But managing actual creators, honestly, it's exhausting. Well, you can entirely skip the agency fees and the endless back-and-forth emails. You can use these crazy, lifelike AI avatars to generate authentic-feeling UGC ads instantly. Your buyers see a relatable presenter delivering a supernatural voice-synced script, and you didn't have to manage a single shoot. Now, if you're running a DTC brand or tossing up Amazon affiliate links, this next feature is going to be your best friend. You can take your Shopify or Amazon listing URL, paste it right into the platform, and just let it run. That's the whole process. The AI automatically scrubs the page, pulls the product images, writes a script designed specifically to convert, and stitches it all together into a polished ad. Zero asset prep on your end. It's almost too easy. And look, volume is the name of the game today, right? This tool basically lets you build a massive content moat. You can batch produce tons of TikTok and Reels optimized clips from just one input. You get to keep your brand voice consistent, make sure you're using platform native formats, and most importantly, you're posting faster than your competitors can even draft a creative brief. For affiliates, this means testing dozens of angles in the time it usually takes to finish one draft. And you might be wondering, wait, is this going to look like that weird, choppy AI stuff we've all seen? Actually, no. Under the hood, this is running on Seedance 2.0. It's a state-of-the-art video generation model. So what does that mean for you? It means smooth motion, completely natural transitions, and an actual cinematic quality. Your videos are going to cut through the noise on those crowded feeds instead of just getting instantly swiped away.
Section 2. Real results and savings.
We're talking about a 10 times faster output. Seriously, think about your current workflow. Now imagine taking an idea from a rough concept to a fully polished, ready-to-post video in minutes instead of weeks. Being that fast to market means you can actually capitalize on social media trends the very second they pop off.
But here's the real kicker. You're slashing your production costs by 80 to 90%. When you totally eliminate location costs, freelance editors, and those wildly expensive agency retainers, all that saved cash goes directly into your ad spend. Or, straight into your pocket.
And for my folks selling globally, check this out. With one single click, you can adapt your video's voiceover and captions into over 30 different languages. You don't need to hire a whole localization team. You just find one winning creative in English, and you instantly scale it across the entire globe.
Just to prove this isn't just theory, look at a real-world example like ShopNow. Their CEO, Long Ma, went on record saying they grew their AI video revenue by a massive 80%, all while cutting their labor and costs in half. They are quite literally doubling their earning potential while having their overhead. That is the exact definition of business leverage. So what are we waiting for? The ultimate question I want to leave you with today is this. Are you ready to finally ditch those slow, expensive agencies, scale your content effortlessly, and actually get paid to share the secret with others? Whether you just want higher converting ads for your own store or you're ready to build a recurring revenue stream as an affiliate, the leverage is quite literally at your fingertips. Thanks for hanging out with me on this explainer, and definitely go put these strategies to work.